Hello everybody, it's Brian Sibley 2001 doing a two-part unboxing video. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a two-part unboxing. And this is the first part. So this is something I ordered on the first. And I'm happy about it because it's what I got is a part of a promo, and pretty much this first one I wasn't even expecting it because originally I only was getting two things. So yeah, so getting it open. Good. Now let's see if yeah, it's yeah, it's a LG Tone Ultra headphones, and this is a hint of what I got with it, the main theme, in other words. So here's the front, tuned by JBL, dual microphones, retractable earbuds, and 15 hours of playtime. Advanced quad layer speaker technology for deep bass. Of course, it's a Bluetooth headphones. Here, everything. But felt politically he was unable to do so. So the question I have is whether in the post-Mueller everything. So let's open it. This is as I said, a hint of what I got. If anyone is in the tech fans, well, you probably already know. If you don't, well, don't just keep on watching. But for those who already know, my friends who subscribe to me, don't tell anyone. It's a secret. Sorry. And so this is giving here it is. Will give me a little bit of a problem. Okay. Now let's open it. And here it is, the premium Bluetooth stereo headset made by LG. So here it is. It's really flexible, and here's where you turn it on and everything and control it, and
On the other side, nothing. And next, is in here, of course. Hope these are, hope this is charged. There's here's the charge, the plug to charge these. A USB, looks like a micro USB, not a USB Type-C. And here's the manual stuff and extra parts for the earpiece. So that's part 1 of the unboxing. I can't wait to continue to try this and tell people about what I think of it, along with the second device that I have. So rate, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and be ready for part 2. It will be uploading at the same time as this is. So, bye!